Hi all, Dmitry is here, and this will be first video in series about conversion my old dead iMac G5 to all-in-one PC again. Here is what I have for now. This is my old iMac G5, 17 inches. Logic board was dead, and after some time I converted it to just DVI monitor. Right now it's connected to Raspberry Pi. And in this you can find description of this procedure in my blog. I will leave a link in description. And when it's used as monitor in this configuration, there is a couple of problems. There is no automatic backlight on-off switching. When PC or Raspberry will turn off the screen, LCD controller will turn off matrix. But since we have backlight driver connected directly to 12-volt bus, it will still work. So I added a manual switch to turn on and off backlight when you need it. And there is no brightness control, it just works with some fixed brightness at all, so you cannot make it dimmer or brighter. And of course, for now there is no sound. This iMac have speakers, but them do not connected to some amplifier now, so there is no sound. So it works, but with some limitations. Let's take a look inside. And let's take a look inside. I have connected DVI cable directly to logic board, to matrix control board. It not looks pretty good. This is cables connections, but it works. Also I've changed display backlit driver. Here it is. This one is from AliExpress. This because my original driver was dead and there is no backlit on display at all. And this driver can be for 2 or for 4 lamps, CCFL lamps, and accidentally I bought one for 4 lamps, and this iMac only have 2, so I need to modify driver a little, because it will not work with only 2 lamps if it made for 4. Okay, and also you can see here stabilizer. Here it is. It is need to make 3.3 volts from 12 volts to power this display control board. So nothing more here for now. It's very simple actually, and as I said in beginning of this video, it should be first in series. I'm planning to make this iMac all-in-one PC again, so I plan to install some single board PC inside here. For now I have Raspberry Pi, and I think this will be good one to start with. Maybe later I will change it for some other single board PC, maybe Latte Panda or Udo X86, something faster than Raspberry. But actually it not make big difference, because we still need several things. I only have 3.3 volts here right now. And for single board PC we will need 5 volts, and we will need 5 volts also for all USB ports. So we will need some powerful stabilizer to power external USBs, and maybe some hard drive and single board PC itself. And also we have USB ports on the back of this Mac, and we will need some USB hub to make these ports working. And also we have speakers here, and these are speakers. but they are not connected right now, so we will need some sound amplifier to make them work. And also I want to install some battery here. I think battery from notebook will fit greatly, because it have protections, it have balancing circuit, and most important, it have fuel gauge, so I can connect Raspberry Pi, for example, with I2C bus to this laptop battery and see how much charge remains actually, and maybe calculate estimated runtime. And maybe I will able to take some laptop battery, rip it down, and insert more cells in parallel to existing to make a runtime bigger. So here is the plans. Let's try to make it real. Thank you for watching. Please press like and subscribe if you interested. And bye bye.